Okay, in this video we're going to edit Xero nominal accounts, chart of accounts in PostTrans for Excel. Here we are in Excel. We can see we've got a PostTrans Xero toolbar enabled, and I'm just going to press the examples button, and that gives me access to all the examples that come with it. I'm just going to double click on accounts. So here we've got a template open. It's already got some information in it. That's all sort of example data that is in the demonstration company within Xero. And this is laid out in a certain order. We can see here we've got a load of tags in row 1, and we've got data basically from row 4. Now the tags can be manipulated and edited in this tags button here, but this is a very simple import, so you would probably leave the template much as it is. You could rearrange it slightly. You could even hide a few columns if you didn't want them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract all the information, the chart of accounts, from our demonstration company. Now, before I do that, let's just talk about how we select our companies. Let's press the setup button. You can see here at the top here it says demo company brackets UK, and PostTrans has given it a code, and it gives it a code because later on you might actually want to send invoices to different companies or nominal journals or update multiples and all sorts of weird things, so it uses that code to identify each company. Now if I add a Xero company to my kind of organization, I might want to press Xero login and authorize PostTrans to talk to that company. But I've already authorized 2, so I'm going to press the change button, and I'm just going to show you there's 2 companies there basically. I'm just going to double click on the demo one. So I haven't changed anything, but I thought it might be worth mentioning that before we start. So let's go and extract our chart of accounts. Let's press overwrite, and it's going to also resize the columns when it's extracted. So that's just read them all in and resize the columns. So we've got our account number there, its account type, name, description, tax code, and a few other flags over on the right. And you can see there we just put a yes in. Some of these tags have an arrow up, which means that PostTrans enables a in-cell searching and help for filling things in. So if I typed a yes, a Y in there, you can see we put a yes in there, which is the equivalent of ticking it within Xero itself. We can also see we've got a couple of bank accounts up here, and of course we've got a currency here, so we'd be able to do searching on that, but we wouldn't really want to edit our bank accounts using PostTrans as such. Let's delete everything apart from revenue. Let's take a lot of that out. And we need to edit this one here. We've got a set. For some reason someone's written set there. We don't want that. Clean that up. And we're going to add, I don't know, a revenue for West. And I guess we could give that a code of 2003. So let's call that sales West. And of course we could, what else could we do? We could 2004, and we could change this to, I don't know, sideways, sales sideways. And of course we might want to change the tax code. So PostTrans, like I say, has in-cell searching. So if I press space and tab away, I can see everything, any code I want in there to put in. So I could say it's 5% on income. Now PostTrans will also match whatever you type in there. So if I typed in 20, there are only 2, and I can just select one of those. If it was a perfect match, it would fill it in automatically. So if I was to type in here REV, it would fill in revenue. If I press space and tab away, there are all my different headings. So here we've added 2 new codes and we've edited 1. So let's press the import button. So it's brilliant. You can see there we've added 2 new records and we've updated 1. So let's just prove that by doing another extract. So now we can go in here and we have our new ones. This sales sideways. We took, I think, set off there, and we was it sales west or something we imported. So let's show another way of extracting. If I press the clear button, that will clear down the sheet, completely clears it. See here we've got a column that says find by code. So now if I typed in here 200, you see we can pull through our records by simply typing them into this column. We can take that one step further. If we've got a whole series, maybe we've got them in a spreadsheet or something, we can actually pop that list into that column and then press the extract. And PostTrans will detect that list. So it says, do you want to extract that list? And I can just press yes, and there are all those codes brought through. So now I can edit them, duplicate them, amend them, etc. Let's just go back and we'll extract our revenue again. Now we could have made a mistake here. If allowed in by Xero, we can actually warrant to delete things. So if I just go import now, we should see it says, oh, you've marked them for delete. Do you really want to do that? And of course you wouldn't be able to delete them if they've got history against them, but they haven't got history against them. So now PostTrans has deleted 2 records and actually removed them from the spreadsheet as well. Where this really comes in is that you can actually update multiple companies at once, which will be in the second video on the website here, where you can put in, you say if you had 5 or 6 companies or 20 companies and you wanted the same chart of accounts, the same customers and suppliers, and maybe the same product codes or service items, you can maintain them on a spreadsheet, press go, and it would update, say, 18 companies all at once. But like I say, that'll be in another video.